Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings and then we should scroll down to the system section. After that, if developer options activated, you will see here that section, and to hide them you should just click here on device or less water and then tap here to restart your device. After that, we just should wait a minute, I think, while our device will restarting. And now just let's again open the settings app, scroll to the system section, and now we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.